In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can sort exercises in a workout using exercise timer. So let's open up exercise timer, and I'm going to create a new workout for this. Let's name it sort exercises. And I'm going to press the plus and add exercise. I'm going to leave them the default, so interval 1, interval 2, and so on. Let's create 5 exercises. Okay, so we have 5 intervals, and now let's say that, for example, I create a break and I want to move it up. So you just check from here and you can move it up like so. This feature also works with groups. So for example, if you have a group, which is a warm-up, for example, you can also drag and drop the group and move it up. And also, for example, if you have multiple intervals in the same group, you can also sort them in that same group.